Very much. We could talk about that too as well. That's been an issue for a long time, the theft of copper cable. That's what we do on Fridays. So thank you very much. And apologies, we had a couple of phone problems just off the top. But we want you to tell us what you know, what we need to know. Now, we're going to do a couple of things, and we want to review the week with Andrea Burns and Liam Phillips. ABC Radio Perth. Finance. The share market has closed slightly lower, but we'll just call that relief today, shall we? 2 points. And that's iron ore price has now dropped to $93.76 US tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 67.8 US cents, 61 euro cents, and 55.9 Great British pence.
Weather on ABC Radio Perth.
It's 14.8 degrees in the CBD. We peaked at 17.9, that was about 3 o'clock. Down to 8 tonight. And tomorrow, a shower or two, most likely in the early morning with some gusty winds. We'll get to just 15. A really chilly morning on Sunday, just 3 degrees.